Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to China Showtime. In today's world, China has emerged as a dominant player in the field of infrastructure development. And we are thrilled to present to you a remarkable bridge project in Europe that showcases China's expertise and leadership in this arena. The Peljesac Bridge, located in the southeast of Croatia, has finally opened to traffic after years of construction. This historic moment is considered one of the most significant in the country's history. The bridge connects the southern mainland to the Peljesac Peninsula in the Adriatic Sea and is about 2.4 kilometers long, making it one of the longest bridges in the region. The opening of the bridge will improve transportation in the area, promoting economic growth and reducing travel time between the mainland and the peninsula. The construction of the Peljesac Bridge is also expected to have a positive impact on tourism and the local fishing industry. Croatia declared independence in 1991 after the breakup of Yugoslavia, but the new border division resulted in the country being split into two parts, separated by a 9-kilometer-long coastal line known as the Neum Corridor. Previously, EU travelers traveling from Dubrovnik or the EU mainland to the Peljesac Peninsula had to go through two border checks, as Bosnia and Herzegovina is not a member of the European Union, while Croatia's. This means that Croats must drive through Bosnian territory to reach the southern coastal region, causing severe traffic congestion. Local residents jokingly refer to this situation as the Neum Jam. However, with the completion of the Peljesac Bridge, EU travelers can now take a direct route without having to go through border checks. This makes travel much more convenient and eliminates the inconvenience caused by the previous border checks. The construction of the Peljesac Bridge has been a long-standing desire of the Croats, bringing numerous benefits to the region. It will enhance transportation, boost economic growth, and provide new business and tourism opportunities. The bridge will also offer a more direct route for tourists visiting popular destinations such as Dubrovnik, thereby revitalizing the local tourism industry and creating job opportunities. Additionally, the bridge will positively impact the local fishing industry by providing a quicker route for transporting catch to market. The construction of the Peljesac Bridge faced many obstacles along the way, the main challenge being securing the necessary funds to complete the large-scale project. Despite its long-standing plan, funding has always been a hindrance. Other factors that contributed to the delay in completion include environmental concerns raised by local organizations and residents who were worried about the potential negative impact of the bridge's construction on the local ecosystem and wildlife. The route of the bridge passes through a protected area, which sparked fears of environmental damage and harm to wildlife. Bosnia and Herzegovina also raised concerns that the bridge would affect the passage of their vessels in the Adriatic Sea. To address this, Croatia agreed to increase the height of the bridge to 55 meters above the water surface, which increased the construction cost significantly. The Croatian government has continued to push forward with the construction of the Peljesac Bridge, restarting the project in the latter half of 2017 with funding from the European Union. The bridge, which is estimated to cost over 400 million euros, is considered the largest strategic infrastructure project in Croatia since its independence. The EU funds will cover a significant portion of the construction expenses, at 85%. In 2018, a consortium of Chinese companies, led by China Road and Bridge Construction, emerged victorious in the bidding for the first phase of the Bridge and Connection Line project. The Croatian government has secured funding from the European Union, and the construction is being carried out according to EU standards, ensuring that the bridge is of the highest quality. The bridge's design has also been improved to address the concerns of neighboring Bosnia and Herzegovina, specifically in terms of height. In addition, strict environmental protection measures are in place to minimize the impact of the construction on the local ecosystem, and there will be ongoing monitoring to ensure the preservation of the area. Chinese companies, led by China Road and Bridge Construction, were an essential part in the construction of the Peljesac Bridge in Croatia. With limited funds available, the Croatian government chose a Chinese company, CRBC, known for its high-quality work and cost-effectiveness. CRBC, a subsidiary of China Communications Construction Group, was awarded the contract to build the bridge due to its low bid price, which was significantly lower than the prices offered by European engineering contractors. This led to allegations from several European companies that CRBC received funding from the Chinese government, and thus was able to win the bid at an exceptionally low price. The investors in the bridge construction recognized the complex engineering challenges involved, and believe that only a company with extensive experience in bridge building can tackle these difficulties and successfully complete the project. That is the real reason that EU and Croatia decided to award the contract to a Chinese company instead of a European construction company. The Chinese project teams put in a lot of hard work to overcome the difficulties in the construction process of the Peljesac Bridge. To minimize the impact on the environment, they utilized innovative technologies such as advanced bridge design software to optimize the design of the bridge. Additionally, they engaged in extensive consultations with the local community and environmental groups to address their concerns and find mutually beneficial solutions. The project team was tasked with meeting incredibly high standards for the quality of their engineering work. They had to ensure that every aspect of the construction process met EU standards, and that all materials and equipment used were certified by European supervisors and professional organizations. Despite these challenges, the team was determined to complete the project successfully and made significant efforts to meet these strict requirements. Because of the lack of sufficient construction materials and labor locally, 70,000 tons of steel pipe piles and box girders were brought to the construction site via ocean transportation. This required efficient logistical planning and coordination between the Chinese and local teams to ensure the smooth and timely delivery of all necessary resources to the construction site. The team responsible for the construction of the Peljesac Bridge has overcome all challenges to achieve success. They have a strong commitment to delivering top-notch infrastructure that will positively impact the local community and surrounding areas for years to come. Their determination and creativity will be critical in overcoming any obstacles and bringing this grand project to fruition. The team has already shown their exceptional capability to accomplish their goals and make a lasting impact. The completion of the Peljesac Bridge was a momentous occasion, marked by a grand opening ceremony on July 26, 2022. The ceremony was well received by the local people and was a testament to the hard work and dedication of all those involved in the project. Chinese leaders sent a video message of congratulations, with the Chinese premier emphasizing the Peljesac Bridge as a symbol of the friendship between China and Croatia, and between China and Europe. The Croatian president stated that the bridge is a symbol of Croatia's freedom and national unity. The Peljesac Bridge in Croatia is a significant step forward in China's global endeavors and increasing connection with Europe. The presence of Chinese companies and personnel in this critical infrastructure project showcases China's proficiency in bridge construction and its determination to take on a pioneering role in global infrastructure development. The successful completion of the bridge is a testament to the technical abilities of Chinese companies and engineers, and will enhance their worldwide recognition and reputation. The construction of the Peljesac Bridge not only showcases the competitiveness and cost-effectiveness of Chinese-made products and services, and the strong capability of Chinese enterprises in executing complex and large-scale infrastructure projects, but also holds significant importance in terms of China's relationship with Europe and other regions. The project is a clear representation of the deepening of China-Europe economic and trade relations, and China's commitment to building a more interconnected and cooperative world. The participation of Chinese enterprises in these infrastructure projects demonstrates their willingness to work together with their partners in Europe and other regions to achieve common goals and create a better future for all.